Crazy cool kids crafting! Let's DIY these tin can candle holders in different colors, even in glow-in-the-dark. These are the materials that you will need. Clean and prep your tin cans. Remember kids, adult supervision is needed for this project. Grab a hammer and nail and lightly pierce the tin can with a hole. Do this all over the surface of the tin cans. That way the candle light can shine through. Hold the tin can down firmly and drive the nail through the tin can with the hammer. Do this with all the tin cans. Now make bigger holes on the side of the tin can, either using a drill and a metal drill bit or a bigger nail and hammer. This is for the handle. Now we can get to spray painting. If your spray paint can says it does not have a built-in primer, then it's a good idea to use a metal primer and prime the tin can before applying the color. I'm doing this to two of the tin cans that go with the metal color as well as the glow-in-the-dark one. But this light blue spray can color that I'm using has a built-in primer. So there's no need to prime, just go in straight with the color. Always read your spray can labels when prepping for your project. Now we can make the handles for our tin can candle holders. Here I am clipping binding wire and bending it into shape. Then insert the ends of the wire into the holes on either side of the tin can. And that is how you create a handle. For best results when using a glow-in-the-dark spray paint, make sure that you apply the spray paint onto a white or light color primer like we've done. For the best glow, make sure you apply 4 to 5 coats. Remember to shake your can and apply in light and even strokes and allow for drying time between each and every coat. It'll take about 20 minutes for our first coats to dry, so while the tin cans are drying, let's have a look at some cool facts. Recycling, upcycling and reusing things like glass and tin cans is a great way to protect our planet. So don't throw away things that can be reused, just as we've done with these tin cans and making them into awesome candle holders. So remember to use this project the next time we have load shedding. Do you know what ukukanya means? It's light in Zulu. Now, let's get back to our project. The 20 minutes is up and our tin cans are looking great. Now that it's dark, we've placed the candles inside and lit them. Remember kids to never light matches without adult supervision. These upcycled tin cans look great as candle holders, but wait for the glow-in-the-dark one. Charge and glow. How cool does that look? Happy crafting!